I wanted to show you guys how, I wouldn't say, I mean, it's probably the proper way, but the best way that we have found to solder wires together. So you take the plastic end off the connector and you splice the wire like so. And once that's done, you will put the connector on with the shrink tubing before that. Twist the wire together. And then put the connector on.
With your heat shrink tubing that we always forget.
Yep. And then crimp it.
Make sure you use the right spot on your crimper. This is, I took the insulation off, so I have to use the non-insulated side. They have an insulated and non-insulated side.
Oh,
the blue is the 22 to 18 gauge.
Oh, I did not know that.
Well, that's what fits this style.
Okay. And then once that is crimped, the next thing that you'll do is
solder it.
Solder it. Get your solder out. We're just using, this is really thin stuff. And you heat this up with a torch. You don't use a soldering iron. A torch, you heat it up for maybe, I don't know, 3 or 5 seconds. And then pretty much immediately it's heated up to the perfect temperature and you just feed the solder in. I know some people are probably going to say that we are doing this wrong. I don't know if this would make those connectors weaker because you heated them up so quickly, you know, with a torch, but I'll tell you what, this is the quickest way to solder that we have found, and we have done a ton, and by we I mean you.
Yeah.
You have done a ton of connections on this tractor, and this is the fastest way to solder.
And after that, I don't use a heat gun for the shrink tubing. I don't use a blowtorch for the shrink tubing. I use the heat gun.
Yeah, the blowtorch is a little too hot. And then you just shrink the shrink tubing around it. And pretty much, there you go. That is the final connector. So, hope everyone enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And hopefully we will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.